What is up, guys? It's your favorite person, me. And today we're going to be doing an easy bake oven thing. And first you're supposed to heat it up. We're going to make pretzels today. I can't eat these, so I'm going to have a taste tester. And also, this is kind of old and expired. So if it doesn't taste right, that's probably why. Also, I've made these pretzel mixes before, and the nacho stuff, the drizzle stuff is disgusting. So I'm just not gonna make it. I'm just gonna do the easy bake, blah, 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 blah. Let's see when this was expired, cause, does it say the expiration date? I don't think it says the expiration date. So we're gonna just take it from here. I heated this up for a little bit more than 20 minutes because this is older. But let's read. Spray baking pan with cooking spray. So you can just look and admire my, what's it called again? Easy bake oven. Thank you very much. What do I need?
Cooking spray.
Cooking spray. We got no canola oil. Okay. Then I think we're also gonna need some spoons and stuff. Okay. I'm back, and it's me. It's your favorite person. And we're gonna spray. Let's move this out of the way. Hey, that rhymes. Okay. You ready? Also, this is kind of scratched because I had to wash it because I got chocolate on it and it would not come off. So some of the pan came off with it. Okay, here we come, boys. Oh no, I'm just gonna put it on my shirt because never mind. Y'all ready? Ah! Perfect. That was that was a lot. I might get paper towels and it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Next. Moving right along here. Next. Pour 1 egg wash mix. We don't have that. And 2 tablespoons. Okay, we're not going to make that part. Okay, make the pretzel dough. Yes. Pour 1 pretzel mix and 4 teaspoons of water into a bowl. Stir and press the mixture together until it forms a dough. So this is where it goes downhill, okay? I sometimes end up adding a little bit more water than usual, but hey, it usually is edible. Not saying it's good. It's edible though. What did it say? Teaspoons. 4 teaspoons. Okay. Wait. TSP is tablespoons. I mean teaspoons, right?
Teaspoons.
Okay, we're going to do some teaspoons today, folks. That's hot. Okay, yeah. So I'm going to take you with me. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm not going to take you with me. We're just going to look at my easy bake oven again. Because, you love it. You love it so much, don't you guys? Okay, we're going to add cold water or warm water, do you think?
Probably doesn't matter.
Okay, it doesn't matter. Guys, we have oh, boy. Okay, guys, we're adding 1 table. I didn't even get a bowl. Guys, we need to get a bowl. Okay, this looks good. Okay. I'm gonna pour the water in first. It doesn't really matter, right? Comment down below what's your favorite baking show. Because I care a lot. 1. I like to be very precise, guys. Just kidding. No, I don't. 1. And that's about 2. 3. Was that 2 or 3? 3. One more. 4. Okay. Perfect. Now we're gonna pour the mix in, the artificially flavored gunk. Ah! Sorry. Okay, let's open this. Okay, well, it smells like, you know when you get brand new shoes at the shoe store and they kind of smell like, I don't know, but that's what it smells like. Yeah, like burnt plastic. There's a hair. Oh no, okay, gotta take that out. Don't worry guys, my hair is up. We're gonna have to get that out with something. Come on. Okay, there we go. Don't worry, guys. Now we're gonna pour. This is what the mix looks like. It doesn't really have a color. I don't want to spill it. That's what it looks like. So we're gonna add this baby in. Woohoo! We got some fumes up in here. It shouldn't be really fuming. Fuming? Guys, I don't even know grammar, okay? Is that grammar? I don't know. Next. I can't lick my fingers or do anything because I'm allergic. No, guys, it's not an excuse. I promise. Hello? Okay, now we need to mix this so it turns to dough. I need a gosh dang mixing spoon. We're just gonna use a teaspoon to mix it with because I don't want to go. Actually, you know what? You can look at my wonderful sidekick. I'm gonna get my spoon. All we have is big spoon. I'm gonna use this right here. This little frosting thing because I'm gonna use it. We're gonna use this frosting thing to mix it into dough. I might have to add a little bit more water because like that's usually what Easy Bake Oven. Sorry about the noise in the background. Guys, I'm gonna add another spoon. You know, I'm gonna add a whole, what's it called? Sure. Yeah, let's add that, whatever that is. Okay, we're gonna add a little bit of this in. It's a little bit bigger than a spoon. Okay, we're gonna add a little bit. And we're mixing this. It's kind of looks like, you know, like the the vanilla, what's it called? Things. The vanilla. What? Cool. Guys, can you please be quiet? Thank you. We're just gonna add a little bit more water in just because it's not forming yet into dough. It's more like, let me show you what it's more like. Ah! Oh boy. It's more like a little paste. So we're gonna add more into dough to make it. Ah! Whoop. Perfect. Wait, we're gonna mix it. Ugh, I hate that noise. Okay, a little bit more. Perfect. Guys, it requires a lot more, okay? I'm not ruining it, I promise. But I might be, so never take a promise. Okay, guys, it's starting to form into a dough type. Does it say do not add? I don't care. This is taking longer than it should. Okay, then we're putting this in. This is what it looks like. It's kind of... Who should I have as my taste tester? Maybe my brother? Okay. Okay, we have this basically mixed. I'm gonna say mixed. Mixed. So yeah, this is more like a dough. Next, we're gonna see. What the heck is next? We're gonna look. What's next? Can nobody come back here, please? Jeez, I'm trying to make a video. Sorry, guys. I'm back. Next. We're gonna do. Okay, use your hands to shape the dough into a ball. Sprinkle flour in your hands if the dough is too sticky. I'm not gonna get any flour. I'm just gonna do it savage mode and spray some of this stuff and go, yeah. I'm not sure if this will even work, but we're gonna try. It's not. Okay, well, it's not. Actually, it kind of is. Sure. I'm just gonna make one big pretzel. I'm not sure how to roll a pretzel. It shows you how. I'm not following that because I'm a savage. This is how the dough looks. I'm not sure how this is supposed to make 6 balls, but we're gonna see. Today's shout outs goes to Sophie. Alright, Sophie. Okay, it's kind of becoming a sticky disaster. Oh boy. Okay. Technical difficulties. Guys, kind of starting to stick to me. I'm just gonna plop that right there and use the little thing to work it. There's a lot of excess on me right now, so I'm just gonna get that off. Or at least try. So I'm putting this all in the pan right now. I'm gonna set the pan right here so you can see. I don't understand why this is supposed to be, so easy. So easy. So easy. No, it's not. It's not. Okay, guys? I'm ruining this right now. We're gonna spray this too. I missed. Okay. Perfect. I don't even know what canola oil is supposed to do. Mom, what does canola oil do?
It makes sure nothing sticks.
Well, we should sue them.
Oh, sticky.
Yeah.
Okay then.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna do this for part 2 also, so... Because when it's done baking in the taste test. So it says that you're supposed to bake this for For how long?
I don't know. What's it say?
Oh, 12 minutes. Let's just shove this in here. Oh no, it's getting on the top. Oh no, guys. Look inside. You're gonna be my sense of seeing. Okay? Did it go in? Did it? Did it? Did it? Can you check for me, please? I think it might have gone in. Might not have. We're gonna see though. How can I? Like, seriously? Okay, I'm just gonna say that that's in. Okay? Yeah, it's in. Yeah, that's the little flapper.
Better set the timer.
We're gonna see. Does that look about right? Sure it does. And I showed my face. Oh, gosh darn it.
It's okay.
It is? I'm not gonna post it.
Okay.
I can?
Just don't get carried away with showing your face.
Yay! Sorry guys, my mom says that I'm not allowed to show my face just because of kidnappers and that kind of stuff. Creepiness. So, yeah. I think I'm gonna let my little brother do the taste test. So, we're gonna find out. So, how am I supposed to turn this off? Thank you. Guys, we're gonna wait because my mom's gonna turn this off
Check back in 12 minutes.
right now.
You just set a
We
timer.
will check back in 12 minutes for her.
Alexa, set
Oh!
the timer for 10 minutes.
We forgot. So, bye.